यो त आज खाली पो जानु भनेर आयो म आउँदै तयारी गरेँ राइट डाउन I know her and leave a line next question maybe you have already done it but some maybe it will only be a repetition his studies worries me next question his studies worries me. These are some of the typical examples of active to passive. His study worries me. His study worries me. His studies worry me. His study worries me. Next, her beauty surprises us. Her beauty surprises us. Her beauty surprises us. The box contains the books. The box contains the books. Do it. Next question, do it. The box contains the books. Do it. Open the window. Open the window. Next, don't open the window. Don't open the window. Help the poor. They say he is a thief. They say he is a thief. They say he is a thief. Number 1, I know her. What's its passive? She is known to me. She is known to me. Write down the answers. She is known to me, not by me. Next, his study worries me. I am worried about his study. About his study, not by his study. I am worried about his study. These are all passives. Next. Her beauty surprises us. We are surprised at her beauty, not by her beauty. We are surprised at her beauty. The box contains the book. The books are contained in the box. The books are contained in a box. The books are contained in the box. The books are contained in the box. The books are contained in the box. Next. Do it, let it be done. Open the window, let the window be opened. Don't open the window, let not the window be opened. Let the window not be opened. Let not the window be opened. Help the poor. The poor should be helped. Should be कहाँबाट आयो? Rule. They say he is a thief. He is said to be a thief. ल अब आज म यो फाइल पनि सेन्ड गर्दिन्छु. Here are one set of questions maybe you have already done. There are 25 other questions related to active passive for you to practice along with answers. Answer पनि छ. क्वेसन पढ्दै आन्सर हेर्दै गरे पनि हो पहिला क्वेसन हेरेर डोन्ट लुक एट द आन्सर्स आर देयर आई विल सेन्ड यु द आन्सर्स and here I have got files of synonyms and antonyms also with password. I will send these as well today in the group. Rule of little army. Last time I have found one news, right? And if I have taken the screenshot, okay, I'll read this, right? नेपाली सेनाले 6 वटा हिमालको सफाई गर्ने भएको छ. It was published on 6th Fagun. 2 वर्ष अघि सगरमाथाको सफाई गरेको नेपाली सेनाले यसपटक 6 वटा हिमाल सफाई गर्न लागेको राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्ज तथा वन्यजन्तु आरक्षण निर्देशनालयका निर्देशक रथी हिमांशु खड्काले जानकारी दिए. यसपालि सगरमाथा, लोछे, पुमोरी, आमानौलो, मकालु र धौलागिरी हिमालको सफाई हुनेछ. बेस क्याम्प र त्यसभन्दा माथिको क्षेत्रमा सफाई गरेर 35 टन फोहोर सङ्कलन गर्ने लक्ष्य रहेको सागरथी खड्काको भनाइ छ. 18 टन फोहोर बेस क्याम्प भन्दा माथिबाटै सङ्कलन गर्ने लक्ष्य रहेको सेनाले जनाएको छ. Maybe you are not aware that army personnel are also involved in cleaning the mountainous area. यो नयाँ एउटा जानकारी पनि भयो.
सरिन फोटो पठाइदिनु.
हेर म एउटा सिकाइदिन्छु. जस्तो हाउ डु आई सेयर द्याट भिडियो. मैले त्यो भिडियो कसरी सेयर गरेँ त्यो त युट्युबबाट सिधै लिङ्क सेयर गरेँ. अब एउटा इफ यु युज ल्यापटप्स डेस्कटप्स if you use this you can download Torch browser, right? Google मा गएर Torch browser share गर. Torch browser भेट्यो install गर. Now once you install Torch browser in your laptop or computer, you can use Torch browser to open YouTube. Open Torch browser. In Torch browser go to YouTube, stream any video, and there is this button one. And once you started playing the video, this button started blinking, and once you press on it, your video got downloaded by the browser. And go to tools, go to the tools extension, new extension, then type in new extension as save as PDF, and you will find one extension like this in brown color. What do you call this sort of pictures? Bar graph with red brown bar graph icon. Once you install it in your browser extension, once you install that extension in your browser, open any file, go to any page. Just the grammar rules, active passive rules भनेर एउटा पेजमा गयो. त्यो पेज त पुरै पेज त कपी पेस्ट गर्नु पर्यो वर्डमा, सेभ त हुँदैन. के गर्ने? Just click this icon that is installed as an extension on your search bar. It will save it into PDF automatically. सजिलो पढ्नलाई. बुझियो भनेको?
यो सर.
This browser, with the help of this browser, you can download any video that is being streamed on your desktop. Go to Tools extension, and under extension search Save as PDF. find the PDF find this extension with this icon. 3 bar graphs, brown in color. Install it. Open any file. Just click on this. Then you see it being animated. And once the animation is complete for 5-6 seconds, after 5-6 seconds, you see that your page being completely downloaded on PDF format. Now you can send that via Messenger installed in your laptop. The laptop ma chha भने laptop मै Messenger राख, laptop बाटै mobile मा पनि पठाउन सके आफैलाई you can read like that. When you use something as instrument, we use with. Now knife, he cuts an apple. Knife is used as instrument. So with. If something is used as instrument to do something with.
With pencil.
When something is used with pencil ki by pencil vanera यो 43 grammar questions ma cha ta त्यहाँ लेखाइदिएको हेर त Write down the question. Number 1. Which of the following is not correct? Which of the following is not correct? अरे त्यो सबै त्यो which of the नलेख न not correct लेख not correct लेख सकिहाल्यो नि छिटो छिटो short and note which of the following is not correct. Number 1, you would purchase first listen to the complete sentence. You would purchase the black sedan, wouldn't he? He apostrophe D. You would purchase the black sedan, SEDAN, wouldn't he? He would purchase the black sedan, wouldn't he? Number B. He had gifted me this watch, hadn't he? He had gifted me this watch, hadn't he? He apostrophe T. Well, he had one. He had gifted me this watch, hadn't he? He had gifted me this watch, hadn't he? Next. Something is missing, aren't they? Something is missing, aren't they? Let's swim, shall we? Which one is the answer? Which one is the answer?
C. C, sir. 3 number.
Okay, what should be the correct answer for number C?
Something is missing. Isn't it?
Yes. Now next. Subhash goes to his office dash foot every day. Subhash goes to his office dash foot every day. With, on, from, by. Ajak by. Subhash goes to his office dash foot every day. Options are with, on, from, by. On foot. Always on foot, not by foot. Next. Next. Dash his intelligence, he failed the test. Dash again. यो pre-judgment लिएर answer नदिने नि option नै भनेको छैन in spite. त्यहाँ option मा in spite अफै छैन. Dash his intelligence, he failed the test. Now the options are although, despite, because of. Although his intelligence हुन्छ दो र although पछाडि जहिले पनि although he is rich लगाएर के आयो यहाँ? यहाँ के आयो? A complete sentence आएन? He subject is verb, rich object. Subject, verb plus object, they make a complete sentence. Now remove although and read only this. Is it a complete sentence? Yes. Does it make sense? Yes. This is where although and though are used. And here, although he is rich, he doesn't have any money. Both should be contrast. There should be contrast. That's where we use though and although to show the contrast between the two statements, complete in themselves. The statements complete in themselves, either negative statements or positive statements, complete in themselves, showing the contrast. त्यो हो though and although को use. But here, his intelligence. Is his intelligence similar to subject verb object structure? No. So despite his intelligence. His intelligence is a noun phrase. So despite, in spite of is used in front of a noun phrase. कतिचोटि भन्नु? Intelligence भनेको noun होइन? He is an intelligent guy. Intelligent here refers to guy. Therefore here intelligent is adjective. But his intelligence surprises me. Intelligence abstract noun भएन? Despite his intelligence, and this his intelligence is, now intelligence is noun, his is there, pronoun. His intelligence means noun phrase, 2 words including noun phrase. So despite is followed by, in spite of is followed by noun phrase. Despite never followed by of, despite always followed by, in spite always followed by of plus noun phrase. अब दो र although राख्नु पर्यो, खाली ठाउँ लास्टमा छ. Most of the time though fits there. Because although is not used at the end of the sentence. Normally though is used. Example. He is rich. He hasn't got any money though. He hasn't got any money though he is rich. You can replace though with although, but although is not normally kept at the end. Though is kept. He is rich. Now match the following. One side, other side. First we'll go on one side. Match the following on one side. Number A, B, C, D. C is catching mice. C apostrophe here. C is catching mice. B. C catches mice. C should catch mice. C apostrophe D should catch mice, because apostrophe D is followed by V1. It's pronounced as would. Would should catch mice. C had caught mice. C apostrophe D caught means now this apostrophe D is had caught. C had caught mice. Now on the other side, followed corresponding to A, B, C, D, write down. 1. Mice should be caught. Mice should be caught. Number 2. Mice are being caught. Number 3. Number 3. Mice are caught. Number 4. Mice had been caught. Now the options are below. अब आउँछ option answer को. अब answer लेख्दा यसरी लेख्ने. Look at the board. A, B. Now number C.
A2, B3, C1,
No, don't explain it to anyone. Let them understand on their own. Now number D options are now which one is the correct answer? Done. Has everyone understood what to do? Has everyone understood what to do? No? Here? Understood what to do? Here understood? Yes or no? No. No. You are sitting saying yes but not understanding. Now first, what to do? Match the following. Now the questions are, C is catching, C apostrophe here, C is catching mice, means C is catching mice. Now, mice are being caught. Now A2, first match there in the question. A को 2 मा. अब A को 2 मा कहाँ छ ऑप्सन मा हेर? B मा छ. A2 B मा छ. B लाई टिक लगाइराख, मार्क गरिराख. Now go for number B. C catches mice. Mice are being caught. Mice are being caught. कहाँ छ number 2 मा? अब B को number 2 कहाँ छ? C catches mice. Mice are being caught.
Nice and big bus.
Sorry.
सर त्यो त माथिको भयो
She is catching.
She is catching mice. Mice are.
Mice are big got.
She catches mice. Mice are big got.
Mice are caught.
Mice are caught. Mice are caught in which? Number 3. Now B number 3 ma kaha cha? B number 3 ma B mai cha. Okay, now again we confirm the answer. Next, number C. She would catch mice. Mice would be caught. Mice would be caught is in number 1. अब third ma number 1 B ma cha ki chaina? Third ma number 1 C1 छ. भनेपछि हाम्रो आन्सर अब लास्ट एउटा कन्फर्म भयो भने के भयो? आन्सर इज नम्बर B. Now when you go to the options answers first, you will be confused. के गर्ने क्वेशनलाई म्याच गर, म्याच गर्दै त्यो अप्सन कहाँ छ हेर्दै जाऊ, भइहाल्यो आन्सर. अब पनि बुझेन भने साथीलाई सोध. The decide true or false. True false त सोध्दैन, but you might be asked. कसरी? Number 1, decide true or false. 1. Naveen said to me, why are you so frightened? Naveen said to me, comma, inverted comma starts. Why are you so frightened? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Naveen said to me, why are you so frightened? Is equivalent to, continue in the same. Naveen said to me, why are you so frightened? Is equivalent to, answer option. Naveen asked me, why was I so frightened? Full stop. Naveen asked me, why was I so frightened? Full stop.
Naveen asked me,
why was I so frightened? Full stop. Naveen asked me if I was so frightened. Full stop. Number 1, Naveen asked me, why was I so frightened? Full stop. Naveen asked me if I was so frightened. Full stop. Naveen asked me that I was very frightened. Full stop. Naveen asked me that I was so frightened. Full stop. Tinta bhayo. Last one. Naveen asked me why I was so frightened. Full stop. Why? Koi ta lekho. Na padi pandit bhayo henta. Naveen asked me why I was so frightened. Full stop. Naveen. First, your I जहिले पनि क्यापिटल हुन्छ बाबु, जहाँ पनि. गल्ती कहिल्यै नगर्नु. हाम्रो प्लस 2 पास गरेर आउँदा नि अहिले पनि जान्दैन रहेछ. भोलि पछि Number 1, Naveen asked me why was I so frightened. Full stop. Naveen asked me if I was so frightened. Full stop. Naveen asked me that I was so frightened. Full stop. Naveen asked me why I was so frightened. Full stop. Which one is the correct answer? Why was I frightened? Number, which number?
B number, sir. Naveen asked me why I was so frightened.
Correct. By this time, you should be correcting the teachers, not the teacher should be correcting you. अब त्यो नै हुन्छ चर्च गरिरहेछ ल यो हुन्छ कसरी हुन्छ अझ यो नै हुन्छ हेर त Why? Still you are confused? Yes, sir. Still you are confused? As a rule, whatever is the type of the sentence in direct speech, we have to change it into a sentence that ends in statement, full stop. In number one, why was I so frightened? Why was I? When the question sentence bani. Why was I so frightened? Question sentence ko pachadi full stop cha. Yo option nahi wrong bhaisakyo. If there has been question sentence, to some extent, the option is correct, but not the option for us is correct. त्यहाँ दिएको ग्रामेटिकली राइट लेखेको छ तर त्यो हाम्रो अप्सन होइन किन इट शुड एन्ड इन फुल स्टप व्हाटएभर इज द टाइप अफ द सेन्टेन्स गिवन व्हाई वाज आई सो फ्राइटेन्ड र व्हाई आई वाज सो फ्राइटेन्ड को डिफरेन्स के हो व्हाई वाज आई सो फ्राइटेन्ड इज द क्वेशन सेन्टेन्स दैट एन्ड्स इन फुल स्टप देयर दैट ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग व्हाई आई वाज सो फ्राइटेन्ड इज द स्टेटमेंट दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड एन्ड इट एन्ड्स इन क्वेशन फुल स्टप यदि यही फोन नंबर को आंसर पनि why I was so frightened full stop why I was so frightened question mark भयो the one with question mark was wrong and we have to opt for the one with full stop पहिला what is your name र what your name is को डिफरेन्स के हो त्यही डिफरेन्स हो यो नम्बर A र D को डिफरेन्स स्टेटमेन्ट अझै बुझिया छैन भने साथीलाई सोध्नु
सर साथीले बुझाएन
अब पहिला ल अब यसो गर्नु पर्यो एकैचोटि तिमीलाई क्वेशन सजिलो लाग्यो व्हाट डु यु डु एकैचोटि क्वेशन हेर्ने बित्तिकै यही हो आन्सर भनेर यु कम अप विथ योर प्री जजमेन्ट यहाँ पछाडि एउटा बोकेको छ त्यो भन्दा बाहेक यु हेभन्ट सीन एनीथिङ पहिला इलिमिनेट गर सी र डी सी र बी र सी हुँदै हुँदैन हो B र C out अब त्यो हेर्ने नै हो नाउ द अप्सन्स आर A and B अब A र B मा अलि गइएर हेर त why I was so different sorry why I was so frightened why was I so frightened why was I so frightened the question sentence हो त्यो क्वेशन मार्क हुनु पर्ने छैन फुल स्टपमा इट भएको छ यो अप्सन त मलाई चाहिएको होइन नाउ देन नम्बर D दुईटामा एउटा छान्न पनि यति गाह्रो अब यहाँबाट फर फ्यू अफ यू कसैलाई त ठ्याक्कै आइहाल्यो ठिक छ जसले रङ अप्सनलाई राइट भने त्यहाँ के भयो त फर्स्ट अब तिमीले आफूलाई के गर्नु पर्यो एकछिन टाइम लिएर अरूको भन्दा अलिकति 2 सेकेन्ड बढी टाइम लिएर पहिला पढ्नु पर्यो नाउ नेक्स्ट Number 1 dash father in him dash father in him shed a lot of tears dash father in him shed 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 a lot of tears SHED there is no such word in English dash father in him shed a lot of tears भने के हो धेरै आँसु शेड भने के रहेछ धेरै आँसु थुपाएर पिउनु हो कि धेरै आँसु बगाउनु हो कि के हो हो शेड भने के रहेछ आँसु बगाउनु dash father in him shed a lot of tears अब यहाँ तिम्रो आन्सर सँग त्यो शेड को केही सम्बन्धै छैन ल हेर है द अप्सन्स आर त्यो जान्नै पर्दैन when you started asking question you are trying to focus your attention on unnecessary things while you are missing the answer which you already know तिमीलाई आन्सर थाहा हुन सक्छ तर you got stuck in the word shed the meaning of which you don't know when the sentence is telling it's the meaning dash father in him shed a lot of tears now the options are A and the nothing into A and the into what is the correct answer nothing अब तिमीले पढाएको थियौ कि थिएन उसमा आर्टिकलमा मैले एउटा इक्जाम्पल दिएको थिएँ जस्तो Devkota is a great poet. He is the Devkota of 20th century. नामको अगाडि द कहिले लाग्छ? When you use the name of proper noun as type. ऊ एकदम राम्रो कविता लेख्छ मैले भने he is the Devkota of 21st century. देवकोटाको अगाडि त द लाग्दैन he is the आचार्य हुन्छ त हुँदैन तर यहाँ लाग्यो he is the Devkota of 21st century. The Devkota is the type. We assume that there was a poet named Lakshmi Prasad Devkota who is very renowned, who wrote lots of poems and published lots of books. So he also does the same. Character is same. So he is the Devkota of 25. He is the Devkota of our class. Now here, you said nothing. The correct answer is the father in him. The father in him shed a lot of tears. अब यो त पढाकै छैन हैन रुल त पढाएको छ नेक्स्ट Now write down. Use the following words phrases to make correct sentences. Make sentences for a circuit. 1. Do away with. Do away with. Give up. Do away with. Do away with. Give up. Abandon. Give up. Abandon. A-B-A-N-D-O-N-E-D. Abandon. I don't know. Abundance भनेको धेरै अब कहाँ त्यो अकाउन्ट पढेको कुरा ल्याएर abundance भनेको धेरै abandon abandoned abandoned brutally brutally B-R-U-T-A-L-L-Y brutally and exceptional spelling है E-X-C-E-P-T-I-O-N-A-L exceptional. Now use them in sentences of your own. Do it. Make sentence. अब now if you write sentences like this, यो 6 कक्षा 7 कक्षामा पढ्ने जस्तो give up. John Cena said you should give up. My father said you should give up. My father said never give up. यस्तोले अब यो टिचरको